Preparing for a driver's license restoration hearing is a fairly involved but not time-consuming process. In my office, it takes roughly a half hour. Normally, we do it the day before over the telephone. And first and foremost, I'm going to review your file. As a driver's license restoration lawyer, I need to have memorized the facts of your case. I need to know when you had your last drink, when your DUIs occurred, what kind of treatment, if any, you went to, and all of the details of your recovery story. Then you and I will go over your recovery story because that's important. And in essence, that's the whole goal of a license restoration hearing, to go in and convince the hearing officer that you've not only been alcohol-free for a sufficient period of time, but are a safe bet to never drink again. And we do that primarily by relating your recovery story. What was it ultimately that made you decide to put the plug in the jug? What was that epiphany moment where you said, enough is enough, I can't do this anymore, and quit drinking? And we're going to take that and extrapolate that into the questions that will be asked at the hearing. Depending on the hearing officer, some will ask some or most of the questions. Many of the hearing officers prefer instead that I, as the lawyer, ask all of the questions. So we're going to go over each and every question that you'll be asked so that you know what will be coming and how best to answer those. The bottom line is that after about a half hour or so on the phone, you will be well prepared so that when we walk into the hearing the next day, nothing will come as a surprise. And more than anything, and I suppose the most important part of this, is knowing that you're going in simply to tell the truth. This isn't like the math Olympiad where you need to remember the right formula, otherwise everything goes wrong. All we need to do is relate your story, and if we do that clearly, you'll win your license back.